Ever signed a contract that felt like a dream at first, but now feels like a never-ending nightmare? If you're a contractor staring down a long road with ServiceTitan and wondering how to escape, you're not alone. ServiceTitan is a powerful software solution, no doubt. It streamlines workflows, boosts efficiency, and keeps your business organized. But sometimes the features and functionalities just don't mesh with your specific needs, or maybe the initial honeymoon phase wore off and the cost feels like a burden. Whatever the reason, you're stuck with a nagging feeling. How do I get out of this contract? Well, hold on to your hard hats, because this video dives deep into navigating the sometimes murky waters of ServiceTitan contracts. Buckle up, because it's not always a straightforward process. First things first, let's acknowledge the not-so-fun reality. Getting out of a software contract can be tricky. ServiceTitan, like most companies, wants to retain customers. Their contracts are likely designed to be watertight, with clear termination clauses outlining specific scenarios for early exit. So, the key here is understanding your contract. Dust it off, grab a highlighter, and get ready for some legalese. Look for sections titled Termination or Early Termination. These clauses will spell out your options, which could include things like breach of contract. This is your strongest case for early termination. If ServiceTitan hasn't delivered on its promises as outlined in the contract, you might have grounds for an exit. Document everything: glitches, malfunctions, features that don't work as advertised. But remember, you'll need solid proof to make this case. Material change. Did ServiceTitan significantly change its pricing structure, features, or overall service offering since you signed the contract? If those changes make the software fundamentally unsuitable for your needs, you might have an argument for termination. Change of control. Maybe your business has undergone a major shift, a merger, acquisition, or even a change in your primary service offerings. If this significantly alters your software needs, it could be a point for negotiation. Important note, these are just general possibilities. Every contract is different, and legal interpretations can vary. This video isn't a substitute for professional legal advice. If you suspect a breach of contract or have a strong case for termination based on significant changes, consider consulting a lawyer specializing in tech contracts. However, before diving into lawyer territory, let's explore some less adversarial options. Renegotiate. Sometimes the most direct approach is the best. Contact your ServiceTitan representative and explain your situation. Are you open to a different pricing plan or a scaled-down service package that better suits your needs? Maybe you can negotiate a shorter contract term. Data export. Most software providers, including ServiceTitan, are obligated to allow you to export your data. This ensures a smooth transition if you decide to switch to a different platform. Familiarize yourself with ServiceTitan's data export policy. Knowing how to get your customer information, job history, and other crucial data out is vital if you plan to move on. Explore alternatives. The software landscape is vast. If ServiceTitan isn't the perfect fit, there are other options. Research competitor offerings, consider open-source solutions, and don't be afraid to demo different platforms. This exploration process will help you build a stronger case for early termination with ServiceTitan, if that's the route you decide to take. Remember, the goal here isn't to burn bridges. Even if you decide to terminate the contract, maintaining a professional relationship with ServiceTitan is always preferable. You never know when you might need their support down the line, or if their software evolves to better suit your needs in the future. Here's the bottom line. Getting out of a ServiceTitan contract might be tough, but it's not impossible. Understand your contract terms, explore alternative solutions, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Remember, communication is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those wrenches turning.